Alrighty, what is going on, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the channel for another market update. Hope everybody's having a lovely day. And with that being said, we're going to get into the TA. We're going to start off here on VIX's daily time frame, and we're going to move over to SPY. Alright, so I will repeat what I said in yesterday's video and probably the video before that one. Guess what? VIX is right back down to support. We have the daily RSI being oversold, and I do think we are going to be spiking at least up to this 1560-ish level right up there. All right, so that is the first order of business. Then we're going to take a look at SPY and see what happened today. We're going to come over here to the hourly time frame, and I understand we are only a few hours into the market open, but I am going to say nothing is going to change. The info we are going over in this video is going to remain relevant. All right, so we did break out to the upside through this consolidation that we were pointing out in yesterday's video, and we have faded. We came into our supply zone up here, which aligns with our resistance right here from the July peak at 459.44. All right, above here, above 462, we have nothing until you really start getting up to all-time highs over here in SPY, which is why, guys, we're looking for that move down somewhere up here. All right, it's going to take place from where we are right here. We're going to come up here to 459.44, and we're going to start that move down from there. All right, regardless, nothing has changed. You do see we have this golden pocket going on here, all the way down here. Why do we have this on our chart? Why do we have the Fibonacci retracement on our chart? Because we are looking for that retracement. We never got it. All right, that's the only thing we're looking for. I don't want to repeat what I have been repeating, but I'm definitely going to say nothing has changed. You are still continuing just to go up on this low volume. All right, or not low volume, but declining volume. You can see it very clearly over here on SMH. All right, typed in the wrong ticker there, SMH. All right, this whole entire move up here was done off of that declining volume. This thing will get rug pulled. Mark my words. I may not be right, but you can mark the words and come back here when I am. All right, I do think I will be right here. I'm just going to say right here. All right, but as far as in the short term goes, what are you paying attention to, guys? Well, you're really coming back down here to 453.93. If you can break down through this, then guess what? You're probably going to have a straight shot down to 452. I still hold the belief that upside is definitely limited up here. All right, just, made it pretty clear here. It's either you're going to start the turn down here, or you're going to come up to 459.44. It was the same as we said in yesterday's video. All right, I do think it's going to take place from where we are right here. I don't think we're going to get all the way up here, but it can happen. All right, today you're probably going to have a lot of people saying, oh, there's a shooting star candlestick. Oh, bearish reversal candlestick. Well, guess what? We've had a lot of these. All right, so we need to see some form of structure breakdown here so we can really get, see things get going. All right. But yeah, honestly, guys, 454. That's really, your line in the sand here for are we going to start break down to 452 or not? All right, because that is where buyers are going to be stepping in. If you could get under there, guess what? 452 is the next spot to be watching. Underneath there, we're watching 448. Underneath there, we're talking rug pull territory. We're coming down to 438. All right, now QQQ, we have a very similar setup going on over here. We pointed this out. You had this consolidation going on yesterday's. We pointed this out in last night's video. You gapped up today, and as far as I'm concerned, until we start doing what I just pointed out over there on SPY, we start really breaking down here, this is just going to be a back test of where you broke out from. All right, whether you want to look at it as the bull flag like that, all right, or you just want to look at this as horizontal consolidation we got going on here. Guys, all right. We are just back testing where you broke out from. So, something to keep in mind there. Don't get, super perma bearish here. Go into these zero DTs saying, oh, now's the day. Today's the day. No, it very well could not be the day. Okay. We know that, we are topping here. It's a topping process. We can very easily see, guys, they are making this drawn out as long as possible. All right. They're trying to, give the most pain to shorts here. Eventually, people are going to stop even trying that short trade, and then it's going to work. Okay, and I think that is exactly what we got going on right here as we speak. Okay, I'm not saying we come down here and flush under 454, but be watching 454. If you do flush under there, we're coming to 452. All right, so I don't want to make this a long video. I think I've pretty much covered everything I wanted to go over in this video. All right, I am looking for that downside. I've given you the levels to be paying attention to, your keys to this downside move here. You now know it. All right. Underneath 454, you go to 452. Underneath 452, you go to 448. Under 448, you're going to 438. All right. With that being said, I will catch y'all in the next one. Everybody have a lovely rest of your day, and peace.